Hi fifth graders, I wanted to show you how to get to your language practice in MobyMax. After you'll go to Clever and you'll sign into MobyMax. If it brings you to your assignments page, you'll need to click on the books. If it's already on the books, then you don't need to click there. Once you've clicked on the books, click on language. You have completed the language placement test, so the computer has determined what practice you need. So I did the placement test and MobyMax has determined that I need to practice with nouns. So my first lesson is identify nouns that name people. Your first lesson could be different because it's based on how you answered the questions on your placement test. You're going to do your first lesson that's listed. When I click the green arrow, MobyMax provides a video for me. So fifth graders, based on the language test, MobyMax has decided that I need practice with nouns. So whatever it is that you have, you need practice. So please don't skip this video. So if you get a video that comes up, please make sure that you take your time to listen to the video because the video has the information that you need. So for my lesson,
in this lesson, you will learn about nouns that name people.
So I'm going to listen to that entire video. And if something doesn't make sense, I can watch it again, and I'm going to watch it again, and I'm going to get that information before I click this arrow. Because once I click the arrow, I can't go back. So it is important that any video that you have, please watch and listen. Any words that are on the screen, read them or have MobyMax read them to you. Because based on your placement test, this is what you need practice with. Once you've completed the lesson, you will be finished with language for today.